Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've deleted photos from your phone by accident, stop what you're doing and watch this. They are probably still there and you can get them back right now. If you're on an iPhone, open the Photos app and scroll way down and then go to recently deleted. Your photos will stay there for 30 days before they are gone. So, find the photo you want to restore, tap on it, and then tap recover. It goes right back into your camera roll. If you're on Android, go ahead and open your Google Photos, tap on your profile picture at the top and then tap trash. Same idea, photos stay there for 30 days. Tap photo and tap restore and it's back. And if it's been more than 30 days, then go to Google Photo settings and check if you have an older Google One backup so you can restore from. Also, quickly check your WhatsApp or any messaging app, the photo might be still saved in there. So, all you've got to do is check recently deleted on iPhone, check trash on Google Photos. Your deleted photos are most likely still there. Subscribe so you always know what to do when